Hey y'all, how you doing? Back out in the garage again. This time, gonna do a little welding. Hence the welding cap. Um, Gotta protect your scalp from flying crap, and everything like that. But let me show you what's going on. Yeah, I know this is not exotic, nor is it all that interesting or sexy. But if you're willing to learn here just a little bit, you can learn from welding. You will learn from some of the welding that gets done, good or bad. As you can see right here, uh, there is only one portion right here that was holding this whole thing together. Right there, that one little bit. That was the only thing holding this together on here. Okay? So, what I've got to do is I've got to weld this back to this, and I've got to get good penetration all along through here. Now I'm going to go, I haven't even started doing anything on this. I'm going to go and I'm going to grind all this away, all the paint, all the rust away. And I'm going to grind on here and get all of this cleaned out. And I'm going to get this, I guess this bit of a weld on here. I'm going to get this cleaned off too as well. This was probably done on a machine, and they probably done it just very quick, of course. But the only problem is they didn't get enough penetration on here, and it broke. So there you go. So anyway, I'm going to be also welding on this side of this little arm. I'm going to do the same on this one here, both sides. And I'm going to basically work on this and get this straightened out. All right, I'm going to bring you a little bit more as I go along, okay? Hey, y'all, back at it. Um, got the mop wringer welded up or set up here on this leaf spring that's just clamped into my vise. And as you can see, that both of these brackets here are going to have to be made sure that they are in time with one another, that they are welded on in the same plane, I guess you could say. Um, the As you can see right here, I cleaned up the metal right there, and cleaned up the metal right there. I used one of the flap wheels, and then I used a heavy grinding wheel. That's great for like removing a whole lot of material very quickly. So just something to keep in mind. Now, actually, somebody could come in and weld it just like this. I mean, as long as both of these are exactly the same, you're going to be okay. There's no problem there. But when they're not, then of course, yes, you're going to have some issue. So that's what I want to tell you about. Okay, so I'm about to run out of space on my camera here. So I'm going to cut this video off, and I'm going to bring you a part two. Okay? See ya. And thank you, and God bless.